Hello all, welcome to Awesome Style. This is once again Awesome Style with a new video. Hope you all enjoy my videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And all the lovely subscribers, stay tuned. Today we are going to Always Dream Park for the evening walk. And it's a good weather to enjoy a walk. Please try to press the bell button after you subscribe to my channel to get an instant notification. Now we are heading towards the park. And let's find some parking spot to park our car, then we'll walk in the park. Let's find the parking spot and park our car. This is the entrance for the park, where the kids can also play and adults can walk around the park. Here they are the swing for little kids like toddlers, and there are big swing also on the other side of the park to enjoy for the big children. And there are much more things in this park to do for the kids. Let's start walking in the park. As it is a fall season now here in California, so you see how there's a changes on the trees. The leaves have completely turned into a different color, and it's a very beautiful view all across the park. Some trees, their leaves have changed the colors to red, purplish, pink, and some are yellow. Some will fall, some will not. So here you see some trees which are very greenish, and others they're just falling off and they're completely changed. So you see a lot of leaves all around the ground when we are walking. It's completely, you're seeing a fall season along with a good walk. This park also have the picnic area where you can have small potlucks, barbecues. So they have set up the barbecue stands there in the middle, you can see. So more to walk and more to watch. From this park, you also see a soccer field where the kids are playing soccer. Here there's a slopes where kids can have fun by enjoying and riding their bikes. Kids really enjoy riding a bike in the park. This area has some sand where the kids can have fun playing in the sand without the water. So you can see small castles built by the kids. It's very cool and beautiful castles made here in the sand. Mashallah, it's so beautiful to see the weather here, and the greenery is superb. It's too cooling to the eyes. You can spend hours walking in the park and viewing everything all around it. This is a basket swing where kids can sit and rotate and have fun and enjoy. Or beautiful view where all the birds are flying. You can have a close look, and I'm moving forward towards other side of the park to have more good views. walking is very important and it's good for your health. So try to plan a walking for at least minimum 3 days in the week, or every day would be a great. So keep watching and stay with me till the end of the evening walk. We'll be walking towards the right side where we'll see the water, and it's very beautiful view there when we reach towards that side of the park. Here we are going to reach the other side where we see the water. See how beautiful, khoobsurat, mashallah, subhanallah. It's really wonderful time of the year. A natural beauty which is so amazing to see with your eyes, and how the shade of the sky is being viewed into the water of this lake is very, very beautiful. I can just say it's wonderful to walk around near this side of the trail. Do watch how beautiful it looks all around the lake and the trail area we are walking. So I'm moving the camera all around where you can see the mountains, trees, water. Amazing, really very amazing. Subhanallah. Here you also see a small baby duck swimming in the lake, moving all around. Natural beauty is one of the greatest blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so we should all be thankful for that. So friends, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. See you all soon with a new video. Bye.